Okay, we starting. Hey my babies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Raya J, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm about to make barbecue chicken potatoes, white rice, and greens on the side. So I just want to show you all how to make it, right? So here's my chicken pieces. I normally don't like to cook chicken with bone because it's not really my style. Easier chicken for me to make is like boneless chicken breasts, boneless chicken strips, boneless chicken chunks. Anything boneless, anything with bones I cook is oxtails. And what else do I cook with bones? Yeah, I think that's about it. I can't think of anything else. I'd use ground turkey, chicken sausage, seafood. Yeah, I don't really like to cook with bone except for oxtail. So anyways, I bought a pack of drumsticks, so I cut off the bottom of the drumstick. I cut off, as you can see, there's no bottom of the drumstick, right? So, and I actually got that, I learned that trick from Golden Crust. When I used to do security and I used to eat Golden Crust like every day for lunch, I would always get the curry chicken. I would notice, I thought it was like, what did I think the chicken they cooked was? Thighs or whatever. But come to find out, they use drumsticks and for their curry chicken, and they just cut off the bottom of the drumstick. And I was like, what? So this is my first time making my chicken like this, and yeah, I hope that I like it, and I hope that it turns out. Well, I mean, I know I'm gonna like my food. I'm just saying, like, I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, yeah, let me show you what I'm gonna do. So I love Goya Sazon Toro, the perfect seasoning. I love this, so sprinkle that over your chicken. I also love Goya with the red top. Okay, this stays in my cabinet. Sprinkle that over the top. You get a little pepper, sazon, pepper. We got some ground black pepper right here. So sprinkle that over the top. Not a lot, just sprinkle it over. Listen, y'all gonna learn how to cook with me. If you don't know how to cook, just sprinkle your seasoning over your meat. And I'm gonna show y'all how to season really good. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you the sazon, Goya sazon, whole pack, dump it in, boom. Now, what you're gonna, oh shit, now, I love to use Goya sofrito. So if you don't know about sofrito, please do your research. Sofrito is the greatest, it's the greatest ingredient you could ever add to anything you're cooking. Anything. You could put it in vegetables, rice, your carne, you know, your chicken, stew, soup. It doesn't matter. Just, it's frozen, so you gotta get in there, okay? Poke it in there. Let me show you how it looks too. Let me show you how it looks. So it's literally just like peppers and onions and seasonings all frozen, and this is what we like to use as Boricuas, okay? And black people too love to use it, and I think Dominicans as well. We love sofrito. So now what you're gonna do is we're gonna mix it up. Just mix it up. Let me show you how to make my barbecue chicken. Mix that stuff up. Look, mix it up. Mix it up. I'm rushing y'all because I'm trying to see what TMZ is gonna say about Nicki Minaj. You know, she dropped that new Megatron video, and she got her boyfriend in it, and her boyfriend is like, I don't know, what is he, a rapist or ex-con? He's something like that. And you know, so they're gonna talk their shit about her. And the news is saying that Cardi B got indicted. Whoa, like too much is going on. This is crazy. I just be trying to keep up with the novellas. You feel me? So I'm about to show y'all the food right now. Once you mix it up, look how well you gotta get that food seasoned. Let me show y'all something. Don't be afraid to season your food. And one thing I don't cook with, y'all would never see me cook with salt. Like, I barely use salt on my food, and if I do, it's literally like a little sprinkle, because when you're using all of these seasonings, they already have salt in them, so you don't need to be sprinkling salt. You know, like the white people just want to put some salt and season their carne and think that's it. No, you have to go to the supermarket and look for different seasonings, because every seasoning brings a different kind of, you know, saza and wazoom to your food. Anyway, look, let me show you the food.